If you're a producer in the audiovisual, commercial, or broadcast industries, you depend upon music and sound effects to create your best work. But there's times when you want to enhance your work with sounds that aren't really sound effects or music. There are times when you need Shockwave. Shockwave can add a whole new dimension to your productions. Whether you work in corporate communications, video and post-production, television, cable, government, education, or Shockwave contains over 400 cuts, digitally recorded and mastered using state-of-the-art sound design and
processing techniques.
Shockwave gives you the audio tools you'll need to add movement and life to graphics, DVE moves, zooms, transitions, logo effects, and blurs. Unforgettable sounds for long logo moves and dramatic transitional underscores. You get an astounding collection of ear-opening sounds, such as drones, which can be used for logos, commercials, and industrials to instantly create a mood and emotional tone. Punctuators, hits, and lasers are great for quick-cut graphics and transitions, such as animations and DVE moves. Winds, jets, and flybys. Lead and intensify images, effects, or animations that need to invoke a sensation of speed or flight. Guitars. Add an element of drama or humor, an offbeat transition, or graphic accentuator. Zap bursts, splats, snarls, and missiles are intense stereo electronic effects for use as punctuators to emphasize copy points. Wild Things and Sonic Graffiti can add offbeat intensity or absurdity to graphics, DVE effects, animations, logos, and spot production. Phone tones are real sounds for application as phone sound effects and Foleys. Sonic graphonies are bizarre processed variations of the phone tones. They're great for those special times when the real thing just won't do. Shockwave features audio logos. Perfect for your next opening graphic. Or corporate logo. Shockwave also includes rhythm-propelled musical themes. with multiple edits in 59-second, 29-second, and short tag versions. Unique and exceptionally well produced. Shockwave was created by professionals in the corporate and broadcast sound design industry. Shockwave, simply the best production elements package available today. If you want to set new standards with your work, the state-of-the-art production toolkit you've been waiting for is here. Shockwave. From Network Music.